It is back to school week, and so many of us are getting back into routines or trying to figure out a routine. And wouldn't it be nice if your kiddos could help out and pack their own lunch? Joining us this morning is Jennifer McDaniel with McDaniel Nutrition Therapy, and she's here with two of her sons who are beyond adorable. We have Patrick and Jack. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having us. Well, August, not only kids go back to school, but it's also Kids Eat Right Month.
Ooh, okay.
So one of the ways that we can help our kids eat right is to let them pack their own lunch boxes. It fosters independence. We can teach them how to balance their meals, and then they're more likely to eat what they pack.
Okay.
And I think the benefits are obvious for parents.
I would think so. So help us out, because you have 5 tips on how to get kids to help pack their lunch. Where should we start?
So I think it's important to start small. We only pack 1 day a week, or they pack 1 day a week, and then mom does the rest, because I have a kindergartner and second grader. So you sort of want to manage your expectations right off the bat. Second of all, you really want to learn what their food preferences are. So we use these food group stickers, and this is Patrick's, and this is Jack's. So we taught them by food groups. They picked out their favorite grains, their favorite fruits, vegetables, so mom knows what to keep on hand. That's really important. Yeah, so and then our lunch boxes that we have, I mean, you can use a brown bag, but you can also use these cute bento boxes.
Yeah.
And our bento boxes actually have the food groups listed. So instead of saying, you know, what do you boys want to have for lunch, we can say, hey, Patrick, what's your favorite fruit? Which kind of fruit do you want to pack today? And he might say, cherries. And then our step 4 is just to have a lunch packing station, you know, to do a little bit of pre-prep work for them.
Yeah.
So for instance, our vegetables are all cut up, the fruit is washed, so literally their job is fairly simple. Just pick what they like and put it in their lunch boxes.
And that is so cool that you give them some control too.
Yes, that's the 5th and final step, is to let them have a lot of say. It might not necessarily be the lunch that I would have packed for them, but in order to give them that independence and that empowerment, you really need to just hand it all over. And as long as mom's putting out the ingredients that are all fine, then they get to choose what they put in and how much they put in.
And when do you boys go to school?
Tomorrow.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Are you going to pack your lunch any this week?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think the stuff your mom has looks pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
This
for
is such
having
a
us.
cool idea, Jennifer. Always good to see you. And nice to meet your boys, Jack and Patrick. We will provide a link to Jennifer's site on our website, kmov.com/greatday. Kent, I really like this idea.
It is
Makes
a
me
very
wish
good
I
idea.
had a child at home to help me pack my lunch.
No, it doesn't.
It does, yes.
Well, temper yourself.
Okay.
Coming up.